What's up, guys? Next day here, man. We got the trailer right here. We didn't already start getting some of the auction writing and stuff off, because literally we have not touched this thing since we bought it. But let me just bring you up to speed on all of the little stuff we got for the trailer so far. All right, so first off, we did remember the trailer literally came off. We didn't have this little lock pin at first, so we went and got a lock pin for that. So now this is not coming up anymore. It's not coming up at all. So that's good to go. Remember, it was a bunch of auction writing and stuff right here. So we got that taken off. Now the trailer is literally super dirty, man. So we have to take this thing to the pressure washer it down, WD-40 it up, and spray paint what needs to be spray painted. And just get this thing tidied up and ready to sell. I know you guys were saying this trailer is freaking lovely and it's good for what you want it to do, but me personally, I don't really need a trailer. It's taking up literally too much space, and as many motorcycles I had, throwing it in the back of the truck was the best, easiest thing for me to do. And I'd rather have it in the back of the truck anyway. So we'll get this trailer tidied up because it is dirty and dusty. And then we're missing a lug nut on this wheel. I remember you guys were saying grease the bearings. I probably got to pop this off, get a grease gun and put some grease in there. We'll get to that after we get this thing cleaned up. But yeah, that's that, man. Let's get to it. Now that we got everything situated, we can pull the truck right here and get this trailer attached, man. We got to get this thing cleaned up, man. Let's see if we got some action. Alrighty, we got some hazard action. Alright, bet. We got everything. Got the chains crossed like y'all said. Everything's crossed and good to go. Got the pin lock here. We actually got a lock pin, so that doesn't come loose again. So we should be good this time, man. Let's hope for the best. Alrighty, back at our favorite spot apparently, man. We got the trailer here. Was gonna detach it, but I think we're all good, man. We can just face this way so we don't get no water on this thing, and well, on the truck rather, and we'll be good to go, man. So let's get it done. Yep, just like that. We got all most of the dirt rinsed off. We could probably spray paint where it might look a little rusted. I forgot to bring the spray paint with me, but this thing gotta dry off anyway. So gotta run a few more errands, but I do want to kind of get used to this trailer on the back of this thing for a while, man. So let's drive around and see what we can get done. Hopefully we don't have the trailer come off the hitch or none of the problems we had before, man. I ain't gonna even hold you. I've been riding around with this trailer for about an hour now, literally going through drive-throughs and everything, man. I'm getting better with this thing, and I actually kind of like it now. I ain't gonna front. I mean, it's cool, but I still rather have, whatever I'm hauling in the back of the truck. But sometimes the trailer is needed, man. Can't argue with that. I dig it, man. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below, dog. Alrighty, guys, we got this thing disconnected, pulled into the garage. Now it's free of all that dirt, man. We can post this thing up, get it for sale. I actually like riding with the thing, but I'm really trying to get another bike without having to get rid of that. So that's my whole thing right now. But who knows, man? We'll see what happens. Next morning here, finally about to drop off this truck right now, and Hopefully everything works out, man. We'll see what happens here in a hot young sec, man. So stay tuned with your boy, and we gonna get it going. I guess this is where all the cool guys come in the mornings. Got that blue Shelby Raptor right there. That thing is pretty beast. Alrighty, guys, we have made it to the Ford service dealer. It is freezing out here, man, but they got this freaking Raptor, this Shelby Raptor out here. This thing is beast. You can definitely see the difference from this one and mine. I mean, it still looks cool. Let's check out the inside. Seats are pretty nice. You do get this little thing over the back and 2 extra wheels. That's dope. I can dig it. It kind of looks just like mine. Same rear bumper and same front bumper. God, it's freezing out here. It's pretty dope. I like it. Now, I'm not a Ford guy, but I mean, I got a Raptor now, so we were bound to check out some of these. I'm not interested at all, so. But I never seen a Shelby Super Snake. Seems like it's pretty lit. Suede interiors, nothing special. Looks just like the Mustang, regular Mustang interior. But it does have like that type wide body effect a little bit. Got Shelby on the back there. That's pretty dope. The red one is cool, but if I had to choose one of them, it would definitely be this black and green one right here. This thing is pretty sick. Pretty sick. And how much do they want for this? 130,825 horsepower. Wow. Whipple supercharged. Yeah, that's pretty neat. At $130,000, you can just see the interior on this one. It's got that black and green interior. You can see it. Pretty dope. 130K for a convertible Mustang. I don't know, better you than me. Made it back to the crib. About to go slide in that thing for me, and I gotta go get a haircut and some more stuff, man. So let's hop in this joint and get it going. Feel me? Time to get a haircut, man. Your boy whole hair and everything is a little bit fucking rag dog. You feel me? So had to pull up on the homie real quick, get my little cut. Feel me? Feel me? And just like that, your boy is cut up, good to go, looking good, man. We back in this big sliding right now, man. I mean, we gotta wait like 2 days before we even know what's up with the truck, because of course they're like super backed up and busy. So I guess we'll just be waiting in the meantime, man. So let's hope for the best. Alrighty, guys, next morning here, man, we finally made it back to the crib. We still waiting on the truck. I dropped that off a couple days ago, but man, get this. Ford called me up, the Ford that I dropped my truck off to. They're like, hey, do you think you might be interested in selling your truck? I'm like, not really, bro. I just got it like 15 days ago. He's like, oh, because we have like no trucks on the lot and they're a hot commodity right now and it's a lot of people looking for them. And we just thought we'd ask you because you have a truck that a lot of people was wanting right now, and we'd be able to make some money on it. And he asked me what I paid for it and all that. Long story short, he was asking me if I wanted to get an appraisal to sell it. I was like, nah, just got the truck a few weeks ago. So actually looking to keep it, but it did cross my mind. IA did cross my mind, but it's not really that serious right now. I actually really enjoy driving the truck. I really love it way more than the 2-seaters I've been in. So with that being said, man, we went ahead and passed on that deal, at least for now, man. So can't wait to get the truck back and see what's wrong with it, and hopefully everything works out. Hopefully they cover everything, being that I didn't want to sell it to them. So you know how it goes, man. With that being said, if you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one, dog. Peace.